Welcome to our crochet tutorial. In this video we shall learn how to crochet beautiful green leaves in a simple and easy to follow manner. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, you shall enjoy making these lovely leaves to embellish your projects. So grab your crochet hook and yarn and let's get started. These leaves are perfect for adding a natural touch to your crochet projects. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 8. Now slip stitch into the second chain from the hook to form a ring. Next, chain 3. This will count as your first double crochet. Now work 15 double crochets into the ring. Once you have 16 double crochets in total, slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to join. Our circle is complete. Now it's time to shape our leaf. Chain 3, then make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Next, make 2 double crochets in each of the next 2 stitches. Then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern until you reach the end of the round. Slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to join. Now our leaf is starting to take shape. To create the leaf's point, chain 7. Skip the next 3 stitches and slip stitch into the 4th stitch. This forms the tip of our leaf. Chain 7 again for the other side of the leaf. Skip the next 3 stitches and slip stitch into the 4th stitch. Our leaf now has a beautiful pointed tip. To finish off, slip stitch into the next stitch to secure. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail for weaving in later. Pull the tail through the loop and tighten. Now our crochet leaf is complete. You can make as many leaves as you like in different shades of green. These leaves are perfect for decorating hats or even blankets. Let your creativity flow. Now let's quickly go through the steps again. Remember, there's no right or wrong. Thank you for watching this video and happy crocheting.